How do we add stops to our order? A stop is an appointment from the order confirmation that you received from the broker. Let's say that we have an order confirmation with a pickup and a delivery, but an order may contain multiple pickups and multiple deliveries. So we have to add a stop for each pickup and each delivery that we have in the order confirmation. To add a stop, please click on Add Stop. Select the type of the stop. Let's say that the first one is the pickup. Then you have to set the time for the pickup, or you can set a time window. In our order confirmation we have a time window. It says that the order must be picked up on or up to 2 days after March 31st. Let's select March 31st here. And the time, let's say that the facility opens at 9 a.m. and then the end time, let's say that it's 1st of April, 5:30 p.m. Okay, the pickup number, this is a special reference number that we may receive from the broker. For example, when going to pick up the load, you have to give this number to the facility or at the gate, for example. And then you have to select the location. In this case, the location says Homedale Municipal Airport. Let us try to find it. So this location is not available in the list of our location, but we found it on Google, and it seems to me that this is the location that we need. Okay, here we have to check if the details are correct, so that in the future this location can be stored in our system. Let us check here. So the name of the facility is Homedale Municipal Airport. The phone number, we have here another phone number. You can add it if you want, but I will leave it as it is. The street is this one, the city Homedale, state code correct, postal code correct, and country code correct. We still have here some information like adjacent to the lot. We can keep this information and add it. I will show you how to add it. Okay, now you can save this stop. In this case we have a warning because this is an old order. I took it as an example, so it says that the date you've selected is older than 30 days. We will say OK because this is not a problem at this moment. And this information that we have here, like adjacent to the lot, we can add it here in the comments section for this stop, just to have it as a comment in case the dispatcher would like to check it up later on. Okay, we have to add the second stop, the delivery now. Add stop, type delivery, select date. We have again a time window. It says delivered on or up to 2 days prior to May 1st. Okay, so the end date is May 1st, and let's say it's 5 p.m. and start date, let's say April 9:30 a.m. Okay, again a reference number for this delivery if you have one. Then you have to select the location. Let us check here what is the location. So it's 10,843 Baldy Hill Road. Let us try to find it. So this location is not in the list of our saved locations, but we have found it on Google. So it seems to me that this is the one that we need. Again, we have to check if the data is correct. Okay, the name of the facility, in this case we have no name for the facility, just the name Matthew, but it's not appropriate to add it here now. Let's say that we will leave as it is, the street number as the name of the facility, then the street, city, again state code, postal code, everything seems to be correct. And we have a phone number, but we will add it later on. Okay, save. Again the same warning because this is an old order, no problem. Okay, and now as we have here a contact for this delivery location with a phone number and the name Matthew, let us copy this information. Okay, and let us add it as a contact for this location. Add new. The name is Matthew, and we have a phone number. Okay, so this is just for the dispatcher or the driver information in case they will need the phone number of the contact at this specific stop. What more information you can see here? You can see, for example, the warning that this stop is not yet dispatched. It means that this stop is not added to any trip because we don't have yet any trip for this order. You can also see that the system has determined the route. It's an information provided by Google, and also the total mileage here shown here. If you want to edit a stop, you can click on this round icon next to it. You will open the menu and you can change any of these details. If you want to delete a stop, again click on this round icon and then click on delete. The stop will be deleted then. In case you added a location and you saved it, then in the future, whenever you will need it, or you will have a stop at the same location, let's say at this location, then it should be found in the list of your locations. In this case, it's not found because probably we misspelled something. Okay, so here it is. Sometimes there is a spelling mistake or perhaps some white space, that's why it's not found. So every time when you check if you are sure that this location is saved in the list of your locations, just try to find with a shorter keyword. Okay, so here it is in the list of our saved locations. Some other information on this: you can delete, you can save an order with a single stop, but we will not be able to save a order in case it doesn't have any stops. So in this case, we will get a warning: order is incomplete or contains errors. You can save it anyway if you want, but this will not be a correct order.